Welcome back everyone, and today we got a 3060 Ti from Micro Center. Walked in to pick up a fan and they had some graphics cards. They even had 3080 Ti's and 3090s by MSI. Just tons of stock, nobody there. Figured I'll get a 3060 Ti so we can unbox and test. I do own, since I purchased this one, I do own every single 30 series card actually. So, let me tell you something about this box. This box is a lot smaller than some of the other cards that I got, so I'm hopeful that this is a small card because it's going to get paired with a 3080. And it's been a while since we've opened up a MSI product, but this is the Gaming X. Yeah, just the Gaming X. So this was $649 at Micro Center, plus tax, plus I got a warranty. So there is going to be a lot of stock because mining for Ethereum is basically ending. You've got all that China ban stuff and everything. So the way this comes out, actually you guys can't see it, but because it would knock the camera off, which it's doing right now, basically pulls out of the box from the top. But GPUs are going to be quite abundant pretty soon. Because, you know, you have the China ban, so all those Ethereum pools in China are closing down. Exchanges can no longer do business with Chinese customers. Let's see what's in here. Probably just some warranty paperwork, I believe. Yeah, user guide. How to upgrade your PC with a graphics card, which is very good. If you guys don't know how to install one, I did a video before on an install. Actually, this is only 2 fans. I like this. This is nice and small. A little bit weird for the power. If you guys can see that. It's got a 4-pin. Oh no, it's got an 8-pin and a 6-pin. I believe on the spec sheet it said you need to have a minimum of 600 watts power supply, which is fine because we're actually going to test this for Grand Theft Auto. But then we're going to probably put it to mine Ravencoin for the next year or so, or maybe just a couple months. It all depends on how the market goes, but it's actually a beautiful card. It's very light. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but I'm glad that it's this small. Means this fits anywhere. Nice, look at the heat sinks in there. If you guys can see. Wow, this is great. This actually is a nice light card. Feels great. Nice 2 fans. The heat sink is just 2 pieces. You see that? Up to here, and then it goes from there. Look at the thermal pad. Look at the thermal padding. It's very good because on the Zotex it's pretty banged up. All right, guys. So I'm going to install this in a backup gaming rig that's running a 3080. We're going to do some tests with Grand Theft Auto, and then we are going to do some videos on it mining Ravencoin and maybe Ethereum, but this is the LHR version. I forgot to actually show you guys, but it's a light hash rate. So, let's check it out. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.